Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to do skin care. Firstly, apply sunscreen every day. Use sunscreen with broad spectrum protection, SPF 30 or higher, or water resistance. It slows skin aging and reduces risk of skin cancer. Secondly, don't smoke. Accelerates skin aging and slows wound healing. Worsens skin diseases like psoriasis and hidradenitis suppurativa. So don't smoke for your skin's health. Now, do self-exams to detect skincare. And thirdly, check your skin regularly. Do self-exams to detect skin cancer early. Look for new spots or spots that change, itch, or bleed. See a dermatologist if you notice anything suspicious. Also avoid tanning because tanning prematurely ages skin and increases cancer risk. Also use products based on your skin type. Know your skin type like oily, dry, normal, combination, or sensitive. Choose skincare products formulated for your specific skin needs. Even if you are sweaty or breaking out, don't scrub. Just scrubbing can irritate the skin or make conditions like acne worse. Wash your face properly on the morning, night, and after sweating. And also, manage stress. Stress can trigger or worsen acne, psoriasis, eczema, or rosacea. So practice healthy stress management like exercise, sleep, or meditation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.